Keith Thurman versus Sebastian Fundora. This fight is wild. Edge. Fundora. Prediction. Fundora by late TKO or decision. The pressure and volume will break Thurman down. Final take. Experience versus youth. Power versus pressure. But in the end, the tower stands tall. Who you got winning this fight? Thurman by knockout or Fundora by domination? Drop your predictions in the comments.
So yun lamang ang video natin sa araw na to. Mag-iwan lamang ng inyong komento at huwag mo sana kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. At i-share na rin ang ating video. At muli, daghang salamat!